2 years on the market, famous motor technology with Coanda effect. I'm sure that lots of women considered at least once if they need to buy it or not. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Karina. I've been using Dyson Airwrap for almost a year and I can share with you main pros and cons of using this device. I will also say a few facts which I figured out, and at the end of this video I will set 3 questions which you have to ask yourself before buying it. If you're interested, let's go! We start with the advantages, and the first one is weight. This device is much lighter than others and it really helps when you use it, so you will definitely notice it. Second of all, the quality of the components, of the device itself, of the cables and the box it has. From my point of view, everything has the best quality. The third advantage for me, some styling attachments. I definitely use the hairdryer one, the volumizing, the smooth brush. They really do what they're supposed to do. And the main advantage why I so drastically wanted to buy Dyson Airwrap is the intelligent heat technology. Can you imagine? It measures 40 times per second the temperature, and at the end it will never exceed 150 degrees. I watched a few videos and experiments on YouTube with Dyson and other stylers. So Dyson never exceeded the temperature. As for other devices, it could be from the set temperature 100 degrees, in 5 or 10 minutes it could be already 150 degrees. This is definitely shouldn't be like that. We are going further to the disadvantages, and the first one, of course, the price. I don't have to say anything else here. Second disadvantage is the fact that almost half of the attachments I don't use. So 3 out of 8 I'm not using. This is about the big barrels. I watched lots of girls who used it and it never holds. I find them useless. As well as this one for the thin hair. So this is just not my style. I saw that, for instance, in the US website you have a choice and the price drops from $550 to $500 if you choose different sets. In Europe, in the German website, I couldn't find this option. Yes, there are a few sets from not 8 attachments but 7 attachments, but the price is the same. The third disadvantage, which I heard a lot from some people, that they find it very big to store. On the one hand, this is true. Just look at this big box, yeah. But I find it nice and beautiful, and I found the space. So I really enjoy the look of this box. But the main disadvantage for me is the fact that the curls will not last long, especially in comparison with normal curling iron. And it doesn't matter which kind of hair you have, thick, thin, long or short hair, they will not hold. On the other hand, I find Dyson Airwrap is the great device for your daily hairstyle. You will definitely minimize the damage. In case you are going to some event, just use the normal curling iron. Therefore, you will be sure that your hairstyle will last for the whole evening. I just want to say, don't have high expectations about the curls. Now about the facts which I figured out. The first one is time. The advertisement says that you will have to spend much less time if you use a Dyson hairdryer or Airwrap. On the one hand, it's true. For instance, I spent around 12 minutes on the hairstyle if I use the volumizing or the smooth brushes. 4 minutes to dry my hair up to 80% and then the styling. If I want to do the curls like these ones, I will spend approximately 35 to 40 minutes. the same amount of time if I use the normal curling iron. And next fact is how loud Dyson Airwrap is. The advertisement says it is not as noisy as normal hair stylers, and this is true, but it's still noisy. This is obvious. I'm happy if you are still with me. We are coming to the end of this video. And now I want to share 3 questions you have to ask yourself before purchasing Dyson Airwrap. The first one, are you really care so much about the quality of your hair and you want to minimize the damage? The second one, are you interested more in smoothing and volumizing your hair than in curling? And the third question, are you sure that you're ready to spend approximately 450 euros on this device? You definitely can live without this. If you answer yes to all 3 questions, then definitely this device is for you. Just go to the shop and buy it. Otherwise, I wouldn't say you have to spend so much money on that. Guys, thank you very much for watching it. I hope you found it interesting and helpful for your future decision. If you already have this device, please write in comments what you think about it. What are the main pros and cons for you? If you are still considering to buy this device, also share with us your thoughts. I will try to help you and maybe answer some of your questions. Anyway, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and support me with your like. See you in my next videos. Stay beautiful. Goodbye.